welcome to or back to my channel. So today back with a super exciting video. I'm going to be doing a fall reset vlog, basically getting my life together for the fall time. I recently got back from a trip, a little weekend trip to California. I'll link the vlog here if you guys want to check it out. It was literally so much fun. It was like the best trip ever. It was kind of like a little influencer trip. My management team at Table Rock sent me and 5 other girls to California for the weekend. Such good memories, but my apartment is a mess. Also, I'm a little sick. So if you can hear that in my voice, that is why. So I just kind of want to clean and get my apartment like really clean and organized and just do a really good deep clean. My apartment's just really messy. I need to unpack. Also just like some organizing and planning. I want to make some goals for kind of like the remainder of the year. It's crazy that 2022 is kind of like coming to an end. Kind of just want to make some goals for like the month and the year and the week. I was watching Keegan Afton's September reset video and it kind of inspired me to make this video, and she was like making some goals for like the month and the week and like daily habits and like the year, which inspired me to kind of do the same. I've been like really like in the mood to make some goals lately. That is kind of my plan, is just to kind of take a day and get organized. I really hope you guys enjoy this video and it motivates you to kind of get organized for the fall season and October. I love when it's like a new month. It like motivates me to kind of like get organized for that month. And definitely thumbs up if you like this video, and if you'd like to see more videos like this on my channel. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, turn on the notification bell, follow me on Instagram at emilygrace.26. Comment below something you like to do to kind of get organized and get prepared for the new month or the new season, and let's just get into the video. If you're getting your life together for fall, Hellofresh is perfect because it saves so much time and makes your life so much easier. With Hellofresh, you get fresh, pre-portioned ingredients delivered right to your door. It makes cooking at home easy, fun, and delicious, and affordable. If you're super busy this fall, Hellofresh has meals covered with a weekly selection of 30+ recipes, 70+ convenience items, all delivered to your door. You can enjoy fall's freshest flavors. Every Hellofresh recipe includes ripe, just-picked produce that travels from the farm to your door in less than a week. One of my personal favorite recipes is the one-pan fajita lettuce wraps from Hellofresh. One thing I love is that Hellofresh works with your schedule. Plans are flexible and you can change your meal preferences, update your delivery day, and even change your address with just a few taps on the Hellofresh app. Getting back into the fall season can be busy, but weeknights can be made so much easier with foolproof step-by-step recipes ready in around 30 minutes or less. Hellofresh isn't just for dinners. You can shop Hellofresh Market for quick breakfast, wholesome snacks, and even desserts. You'll find everything to satisfy your cravings without stepping foot in a grocery store. Hellofresh offers veggie, pescatarian, and fit and wholesome meals to make it easy to stick to your goals. You can easily customize your meals with Hello Custom by swapping proteins or sides. One of my favorite things is that you get just the right amount of food, so HelloFresh cuts down on your food waste by at least 25% compared to grocery shopping. HelloFresh is the first carbon neutral meal kit company, and nearly all the packaging is recyclable. I hate throwing out food when I buy something specific for a recipe and then I never use it again. I love that I don't have to worry about that with HelloFresh. It really saves time on planning and prepping and grocery shopping. I actually do have a discount code, so if you want to check it out for yourself, go to hellofresh.com and use code EmilyGray65 for 65% off plus free shipping. Again, go to hellofresh.com and use code EmilyGray65 for 65% off plus free shipping. It is a little bit later. My apartment is looking nice and clean. I'm so glad I took the time to do it. My apartment was just so messy and so gross and honestly kind of dirty, just like very dusty. I am so much more productive and motivated in a clean space. As you can see, it's kind of like dark now. It is now the end of the day, but I wanted to take some time to just kind of like set some goals and also just kind of like plan and organize my week. I'm gonna take a look at the goals that I made for 2022 and just kind of go off of that. I just took some time to write down some of my goals. I actually never take the time to do this. Like, I feel like I'm a very goal-oriented person, but I just kind of keep it all up in my head. Never really take the time to really break it down by like daily habits, monthly goals, yearly goals. I'm really glad I took the time to do this. I feel like this is a really good thing to do, and it doesn't take a lot of time. I actually have a reminder in my calendar that says like make monthly goals like towards the end of each month. I feel like this is a good way to kind of check in with yourself each month, like how you're doing on your goals for the year and like what new goals you have. I thought I would share some of mine with you. For daily habits, I have one that I just keep putting on certain goals lists. I kind of actually did it for a while and then I fell off of this habit, but it's something that I keep wanting to do and then not doing and then wanting to do and then not doing. But I'm really gonna try to, for the last couple months of the year, try to work this into my routine because it's something I always want to do, and that is to exercise. I can just never get myself to do it, and I would really just love to do it. My goal is to do the 12-3-30 pretty much like every weekday, interacting more on social media, like connecting with like potential social media friends. So I feel like I'm really bad about just kind of like doing my own thing, like posting and responding to comments on my own posts, but like I follow a lot of other people like within kind of like my niche, like other people that make similar content to mine, but I feel like I could be better about like liking and commenting on their posts and kind of like creating friendship with them. I also said read my Bible because I don't really do that, and that's kind of another thing, like working out, that like every year it's like my goal but then I never do it. I want to kind of get in the habit of doing that as well. My morning routine needs some work. I can do like these little digital plans on the Bible app, and it kind of creates a little plan. It's like usually under a couple minutes like for each day. If there's something you want to focus on, like maybe you're struggling with like anxiety or friendships or maybe like certain things, you can have it be kind of focused on that. That's like something I've been wanting to do for a long time. Also kind of like a set work schedule. YouTube is my job. I'm graduated from college, so this is pretty much what I'm doing each day, and I feel like a lot of times I will be editing and it's like 8 o'clock at night or 7 o'clock at night or something. I'm trying to finish up a video. My schedule is just all over the place, so I would love kind of a set work schedule. Also just kind of do a better job of planning so I'm not editing or finishing up a video like really late at night or on the weekends. Just kind of try to plan my schedule a little bit better. Kind of going along with that is a more defined morning and night routine. I feel like my morning routine is terrible. Like honestly, it's just a complete lack of a morning routine. Like there is no routine there, and same with my night routine. So I feel like I just need to get into a better routine. I feel like the fall season will kind of help with that. Drinking more water. I'm so bad about drinking water. I actually really love water. I just forget to actually drink it. Also vitamins. Keegan mentioned this on hers, and I kind of forget about vitamins. That is kind of all of the daily habits, like things I can just do each day to kind of work towards the long-term goals, because I feel like the daily habits and your daily routine is ultimately what will get you to your long-term goals. For my monthly goals, I want to take a food sensitivity test. I feel like my stomach has been having some issues lately, and I would love to take a food sensitivity test and see if there are some sensitivities that I don't really know about. That is something that I've been wanting to do for a while. So I feel like this is the month that I'm actually gonna do it. Kind of going along with that, just like trying to have a better diet in general and cook more. Hellofresh really helps with that. One of my other monthly goals is just to hang out with friends more and kind of like spend less time alone. Specifically, I put like 1 to 3 times a month. Hang out with friends, that might not seem like that much, but literally I never hang out with anybody. So just try to like make plans 1 to 3 times within the month. These goals I feel like I've actually been really good about, but basically just being active on all platforms, that was one of my #1 goals for the year, and I feel like I've finally been doing that. I've been posting on Instagram almost every day, like a reel, a post, a reel, and I've really noticed it with my Instagram following. So if any of you are trying to grow your Instagram following, I feel like posting reels often really helps. And then also just kind of like posting on stories actively. I kind of forget about stories, so I'm gonna try to post more actively on there. Posting on TikTok every day as well. Posting on YouTube 2 times a week. I usually do 2 to 3 times a week. Also for the month, I want to take more pictures. I really want to take more film pictures. Lastly for the month, organize and declutter. I think I'm gonna film another organize and declutter vlog. Let me know if you'd like to see that. It's kind of decluttering my makeup, decluttering my desk, decluttering my closet, like just a little bit of everything, because I feel like everything is very cluttered. I was listening to the What We Said podcast, and Chelsea really motivated me when she was talking about doing the Marie Kondo method on her whole house. I like really want to do that now. So that's pretty much everything. I don't really have much for the year because I already kind of wrote out all my yearly goals, and there's really not much that I want to add to it. Pretty much just finding a hobby. I want to make a physical photo album from the year, like this little Bluetooth printer that I can print pictures from my phone. So maybe I can start printing some of my favorite pictures from the year and start getting a little album together. That's pretty much everything for the year. Hopefully my goals inspired you to make some goals of your own. Definitely comment below some of your goals for the month, for the year, some of your daily habits. Now that I'm feeling motivated, I'm just going to do a little bit of planning. I actually just got a couple new deadlines from my manager today for like some upcoming videos, so I'm gonna add deadlines to my calendar and just kind of get organized. I actually did do a whole entire calendar video. I'll link that here if you guys want to check it out. I love my digital calendar, literally just best thing ever. I'm obsessed. I'm just gonna take a look at that. I like to plan monthly and just kind of look at the whole month at a glance and just kind of see deadlines, birthdays, any kind of like important events, and then I kind of like to look at it closer by the week and just kind of like time block each day. Sounds a little bit intense. When it comes time for that actual day, I can just look at it and see exactly what I need to do that day to kind of like stay on track for the month, for the deadlines. So it just really helps me to kind of take a little bit of time to kind of plan it all out. Sometimes I can just go crazy. Before I know it, I'm like in December. I just spent a little bit of time kind of organizing my calendar, putting some dates in, moving some stuff around. Now I feel a lot more organized mentally and just a lot more organized in general after cleaning my apartment and making the goals. I'm so glad I decided to do this fall reset. I definitely recommend taking a day or so to just kind of get your life together for the fall time, make some goals, clean your space. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely give it a big thumbs up if you did, and if you'd like to see more videos like this on my channel, subscribe if you're not subscribed, turn on the notification bell, follow me on Instagram at emilygrace.26. Comment below some things you like to do to kind of get your life together and get organized. Definitely make sure to check out Hellofresh. I'm gonna have it linked below at the very top of my description, and I'll have all the information here on the screen as well. So definitely make sure to check it out. It's literally my favorite thing ever. I'm so obsessed. Comment this emoji if you stayed until this point in the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in a couple days for the next one. Bye.